Welcome back to Mind Revived, your go-to channel for all things self-improvement and personal growth. And today we're diving into a powerful tool that has transformed the lives of countless successful people: visualization. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a focused practice where you mentally rehearse your goals, see yourself achieving them, and, most importantly, feel the emotions as if they are happening in real time. What is visualization? Well, it all comes down to how our brain works. When we vividly imagine a scenario, our brain fires off the same neurons as it would if we were actually experiencing it. This creates new neural pathways, making our goals seem more attainable and less intimidating. Top athletes, business leaders, and even artists use visualization to sharpen their focus and prepare for success. It's like a mental dress rehearsal, getting you ready to perform at your best when it really counts. So, how do you start practicing visualization? It's simple but requires consistency. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably in a place where you won't be disturbed. Step 2. Set a clear goal. Close your eyes and clearly define what you want to achieve. Step 3. Visualize in detail. Picture yourself achieving this goal. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel? Step 4. Feel the emotions. This is key. Feel the joy, pride, or relief as if you've already succeeded. Step 5. Repeat regularly. Make this a daily practice, ideally first thing in the morning or before bed. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Visualization helps bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Visualization ties in perfectly with the topics we've already covered on this channel. If you remember, in our video on SMART goals, we talked about setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Visualization helps you stay focused on these goals and can be a powerful aid in manifesting them. If you haven't checked out our videos on the power of manifestation and SMART goals, I highly recommend watching them. They lay the foundation for today's topic. You can find the links in the description below. Remember, visualization isn't about wishful thinking. It's about mentally preparing yourself for the hard work and opportunities that lie ahead. When combined with goal setting and a clear action plan, it can truly transform your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use visualization in your life. And as always, keep your mind revived.